Choosing the right car tires is crucial for safety, performance, and comfort. Here are the key factors to consider when selecting car tires. 1. Understand your needs. Driving conditions. Consider the climate and road conditions. If you drive in a region with severe winters, winter tires or all-season tires might be necessary. Driving style. If you prefer a sporty drive, performance tires may be suitable. For a more comfortable ride, touring tires are better. 2. Check your vehicle's specifications. Owner's manual. Refer to your car's owner manual for recommended tire specifications, including size, speed rating, and load capacity. Tire sidewall. Check the existing tires for the size and specifications indicated on the sidewall. For example, P250/65R15 means P, passenger car tire. 215, width of the tire in millimeters, 65. Aspect ratio, height of the sidewall as a percentage of the width. R, radial construction, 15 of the wheel, diameter 3. Consider tire types. All-season tires, good for year-round use in moderate climates. Winter tires, designed for snow and ice, providing better traction in cold weather. Summer tires, optimized for warm weather, offering better handling and performance on dry and wet roads. Performance tires, enhance handling and speed capabilities, ideal for sports cars. Touring tires, provide a smooth and quiet ride, suitable for long-distance travel. 4. Budget. Determine your budget. Higher-priced tires often offer better performance and durability, but there are also budget-friendly options that provide good. 5. Brand reputation. Choose reputable tire brands known for quality and reliability. Research customer reviews and expert ratings. 6. Tread life. Check the tire's tread life warranty, which gives an idea is expected to last. Higher tread life indicates longer durability. 7. Performance ratings. Look at performance ratings for traction, temperature, and tread wear. These ratings are usually found on the tire's sidewall, rated A, B, or C, with AA being the best. Temperature, rated A, B, or C, A being the best, indicating the tire's resistance to heat. Tread wear, a numerical rating indicating the tire's longevity. 8. Fuel efficiency. Some tires are designed to improve fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance. Look for tires labeled as low rolling resistance or eco-friendly. 9. Noise levels. Consider the tire's noise levels if a quiet ride is important to you. Some tires are specifically designed to reduce road noise. 10. Warranty and after-sales service. Ensure the tires cover manufacturing defects and have good after-sales support. By considering these factors, you can choose tires that best suit your driving needs, preferences, and budget, ensuring a safe and comfortable driving experience.